So today I will be installing foam pipe. So just want to show you, like, when you come into these 90-degree angles here, T's, and when you have pipes that are getting close to your beam, how do you put your foam pipe around them? Here's one that I've cut out. So I cut it to the shape that it will fit right in there. I'm using one of these box cutters. It's probably the best tool to use instead of a regular utility knife. With this guy, you can really cut, especially when you're doing, this is 1 inch, then I got 3/4. This whole basement has everything, has 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. So I had to purchase all different sizes just to get this job done. See here, one thing I wanted to show was that they sell these in 45s and 90s to go around corners, and they sell special T ones. They're expensive. You could do it yourself. You don't need to spend that extra $3 to close to $4 just for when you're coming to a T. You don't need to spend that money. You could just do it with these guys. But this is the best tool to use. So I just wanted to show this corner here. This is an example of what I'm talking about. A 45, a 45, and I'm saving a lot of money. I already saved $6 right there just by doing it myself. Then over here, you can see I'm starting another one. 45. You just cut them yourself, and then you get some Gorilla Tape and put it over, or foil tape, whatever floats your boat, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to install this one right in here. I'm gonna have to put the phone down. See how that fits right in there? So I'm gonna have to cut another slit right here. See how nicely that's up there now? You just keep on going. So when I get to here, I just measure from here to here, and I'll cut out a slit the same way I did over here. Just like that. So I just want to point out, when I say measure, I'm not saying grab a tape measure and start measuring. I put it right up against where I'm going to make my cut, and then I just make a little slit right at that spot. I can't show you because I can't hold my phone and do it at the same time, but I'll make the slit, then I'll show you. So here I cut out my slit to go right in there. Now I'm going to put the foam pipe up there, take my measurement like this, bring it all the way down right here, and then I'm gonna cut a 45-degree angle right here. So I don't know if you see that. I made a slit right there. That's why I say this is the best tool, because you can cut your 45-degree easier. So here you go. Come down, cut the 45 right there, if you can see that. Then I'll come on this side and cut another 45, and there I got it, my 90. You don't have to go to Lowe's and start trying to remember how many 90s, how many turns you have, and then spend about $100 in foam just to make all these turns. Just do it yourself. Just cut it to the size you need. And even if you mess up, who cares? Each of these foams was about $2 and change. A fitting of a 90 or a T foam is over $3. And you're getting how many feet? Six feet of foam for only $2. So there's my 90 cut. Then I had made a slit right there for where it hangs. I had to make another slit right here. And for the T, for this T right here, I left this piece right here. I cut just a square out. See the square? Then I can just end up popping it in place. See? Right there. That's where the T's at. I just cut a little square out. And because it goes from 1 inch and then it goes out to feed the water hose from the side of the house, ½ inch. So then I just come with ½ inch foam, make my 90, another make a 45, another 45 to make your 90, and then just cut it straight right here. That's really about it. So thank you for watching. Any comments? I'm just going to continue working and basically just keep repeating everything that I have showed you until I'm done this ceiling. Thank you.